XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. Join free Telegram. So if you want some free signals every now and then, go and join Telegram. Check out the brokers in the platform right here. So in case you are going to trade with my signals, then I want you to sign up with these brokers separately because my signals only in your trading one account. Okay, so don't mix anything. Separate trading account for my signals only because I want accuracy. Okay, subscribe, like, do all of that. Check out these things. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are trying to go down. Okay, so I think yeah, by Friday we will go down. Then from Monday we will push up. Okay, because understand gold is a real currency, physical commodity, real currency. Okay, so gold will carry on going up, especially in these times when wars are happening. You never know when somebody can drop a missile on your building. Okay, so gold is obviously gonna go up. So weekly, this was the pullback week, and they will go up next week. Okay. But Delhi, what do we have in Delhi? Delhi, the uptrend. Okay, so you can see a uptrend pullback, new high pullback, new high pullback, and they will go up on Monday. I'm telling you, we might not go up on Friday, but from Monday onwards we will go up. Okay, so Delhi, we are looking for the blue candle. So as you can see here, we had these red candles, then we had this blue candle. That's what that was your entry in Delhi. Similarly, we need to have another blue candle which should eat this red candle. That will be your entry in Delhi. But Delhi is like not many people prefer in gold because gold is like mainly for scalpers. Anyways, so we had this downtrend, and when am I going to enter long? So in gold, I think people are not looking for short anywhere. People are only looking for longs. I'll give you the entries. So once this high is broken in Delhi, sorry, in 4 hour, okay, this high or maybe this high. Okay, so if you want to be extra secure, wait for this high to be broken in 4 hour in gold. Okay, so blue candles will come on Monday and break this high, and then wait for the pullback and then confirmation blue candle, and then you go high and take down this previous high. Okay, so entry is about to come, maybe not on Friday, but of course next week in gold you will have certain long entry, especially after this high is broken or this high is broken, enter long, and your next profit will be somewhere here. Okay, so gold is a real currency. If you know your lot size for gold, you can manage your account and everything. If you're good with your numbers, you can take long after the after this high is broken, and you can take your profits here. It's a clean trade. And that's all I have for you. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and do all of that. Check out the Telegram and the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.